Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete Outlook deleted emails. Open the Outlook app. There, from the File menu, click on Tools and then click on Empty Deleted Items folder. In the pop-up window, click on Yes to complete this process. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.